Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we are going to teach you how you can use multiple Telegram accounts on one phone, for instance on your Android. So let us get started right away. Alright, so in the first step, launch the Telegram application on your mobile device. And if you're accessing Telegram, for instance, on your Android, all you will need to do, guys, is tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your home screen. And after that, that panel here to the left will be open for you, where you will see, for instance, your username and the phone number you're currently logged in. So if you'd like to add a second or maybe even a third and fourth account here with separate phone numbers, all you need to do, guys, is tap on that arrow down icon here to the right. And after that, you will see your username as well as that option here below, add account. So tap on it. And after that, simply type in the phone number you would like to sign up with, as well as the correct country code. So you may simply select your country here at the top. And after that, enter your phone number, confirm by tapping on that arrow to the right icon here. Telegram will then ask you on the next page to create the username and send you a one-time verification code to the associated phone number. So make sure that you have access to that phone to verify your second account. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.